Okay, so good morning, students. Okay, so today before we start, please sing, please sing a song. Please sing a song in the first lyrics of Roll Over the Ocean, please. Okay, let's start.
It's me. It's me.
It's me who builds community. It's me. It's me. It's me who builds community. It's me. It's me who builds community. It's me who builds community. La la, over the ocean.
The sea.
Roll
Is
over
you.
the
Is you.
ocean. Roll
Is
over the sea. Go and do your part and build community. Okay. So, okay. So today we are going to discuss uh today our last lesson is about what? It's all about our last lesson is all about what is the title of our last lesson? Fun? It's about Prambanan. Okay, look at your book. Last meeting we discussed about Prambanan. Okay, so Prambanan means. What is Prambanan means? This one. Last meeting we discussed about Prambanan, right? Okay, do you remember our last lesson about Prambanan? Okay, Jean, what is all about the Prambanan? What we talk about there, about that? Prambanan is a place. Prambanan is a place. Where is the place of Prambanan? What country? You can see Prambanan where? In?
Indonesia.
Yes, Indonesia. Okay, so that one we have, or we already finished about the vocabulary about Prambanan. So we have the sunset, we have the coach, we have the Hindu temple, sunrise, and volcano. Okay, so we discussed already about that one. Okay, so let's proceed in reading time. In reading time, did you understand what it's all about? What can you see at Prambanan? Okay, so do you remember about reading time last lesson? Jean,
Một qua teo hả?
look at this one. Reading time about what can you see at
Ê,
Prambanan?
tí cuối lệch lệch mà.
What else can you see in Prambanan when you are going there? Can you give me one example about that?
Hả? Được từng luôn.
Okay, let's start big. Okay,
The microphone.
okay, big. Can you give me example about what can you see at Prambanan? What can you see at Prambanan, big? Can you give me one example? Can you hear me, big?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me one example about what can you see at Prambanan? Look at this. You can see this picture
You can
about,
see the beautiful view.
yeah, so you can see the beautiful view in Prambanan. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so let's proceed. If you understand what is our reading time about Prambanan, so look at this picture I have here.
Indonesia.
Okay, yes, you can see Prambanan in Indonesia. Okay, so we have here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so in Prambanan, so look at this one. You can see Prambanan in Indonesia. So this is the location when you go there. So that is the special region of Yogyakarta. Okay. So this one, look at this one. Okay, so you can see the Prambanan in Indonesia. That is the Southeast Asia. Okay, so that is a part of Southeast Asia. Okay, that is the region. Okay, next one. Okay, so that was the history of Prambanan. Okay, this one. Tourist attractions near Prambanan Temple. Okay, so we have here. Okay. So if you go in Prambanan, you can eat and enjoy the view of Prambanan at night. Okay. So you can watch the spectacular Ramayana ballet. Do you know what is that? Ramayana ballet is a Javanese dance performance. Also, they are doing performance held in an open theater inside the park on the west on the Kandi Prambanan. So they have a show there. Okay, next one. Okay, this one. We have the Mount Mirapi Disaster Tourism. Okay, we have the Mount Merapi. Okay, so we have here in your reading time. So as can you see in the reading time, we have the Merapi, right? Am I right? Can you please read your reading time in your reading book? As can you see, there's a Merapi disaster. Am I right? Mount Merapi. Can you see in your book? It's look like this. Okay. So this is the Prambanan Temple, Yogyakarta. Look at this one. Okay, we have here Prambanan Temple, also known as the Ruru Jongrang Temple. Okay, so the largest Hindu temple compound in Indonesia. So that is the big or the the big Hindu temple. So largest. Okay. Prambanan is the name of the district where the temple complex is located, while the name Roro Jonggrang was given by the locals according to the legend that was foretold. Okay, so there's a high temple compound in Indonesia that is the largest. Okay, this 47-meter high temple was built in the 9th century as a dedication to Brahma. Okay, so Brahma means that is the god of creation of their temple or their Hindu temple. Vishnu, god of river preservation, and Shiva. Okay, so we have the Shiva, God known by the Hindu temple as Shrimurti. Okay, so this magnificent ancient construction was appointed as one of UNESCO World Heritage Site and often said as one of the most beautiful temple in Southeast Asia. So that is the one of the beautiful temple in Southeast Asia. Okay, so there's a lot of saying about this one. So Hindu temple is the one of the largest big temple. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so this is, look at this one. This is the Prambanan temple, the seat of Shiva. Okay, so this is the Shiva. Look at your book. You can see, and the most important is Shiva temple, right? It's almost 50 meters tall in your book. Look at your book, right? The Shiva. Okay, so look at this picture. Okay, so the view, the temple of Prambanan is so very nice. Okay, look at this one. So we have the history of Prambanan. So that is the biggest Hindu temple. Okay. So so by the 10th century, the Hindu century of power had shifted to East Java. Okay. So that is the most beautiful view in Prambanan. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Next one. Let's go back. Okay, so let's proceed in your activity. Did you finish already your activity? Okay. This one, let's proceed here. Okay. Did you answer already your activity, Poem? Okay, Poem, can you hear me? Nina, are you there?
Nina is don't wake up.
Oh, Nina is sleeping?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, Anna. Okay. So I want you to check your book in understanding A and understanding B. Okay, so let's answer it. Okay. I have a question to you. If your answer is if your answer is correct, you can check it. Do you understand? Okay, let's start. Okay. So Anna, the Shiva temple is over 50 meters tall. Is it true or false?
First,
What is the correct answer? Is it true or false? The Shiva temple is over 50 meters tall. Is that a very tall? Have a 50
almost
meters tall? True or false? Is it?
First,
Is it? Look at your book. Look at your book.
F-O-T.
Is it true or false? What is your answer?
first. I think.
False? Look at your book. Okay, let's back. Okay, read this one. So the answer is true. Look at this one. And the most important Shiva temple is almost 50 meters tall. Okay, so the correct answer is, Jean, what is the correct answer?
True.
Yes, true. Okay. Check. Okay. Check your book if it's correct. Okay. Let's proceed. Number 2. Rock. Number 2. Okay. There were more buildings at Prambanan in the past. Is it true or false?
True.
Okay, true, because the answer is, what is the answer here? There
The
you,
building have been
okay,
damaged.
okay. So the buildings, what? What is the answer? Look at this one. There were more buildings at Prambanan in the past. Okay, so we have here, there used to be 240 different buildings, but today you can see around 10 because they have a damages. Okay, next one. Number 3. Mark, are you there, Mark?
Mark big or mark small?
Mark Big.
I'm here.
Okay, very good.
Open the video call.
Okay, can you open your camera, please? Okay, very good. Okay, Mark, let's proceed. Number 3. Okay, so number 3. Prambanan is not far from Merapi volcano. Is it true or false? What do you think?
4.
Oh, number 3, what is the correct answer? Look at this one. Prambanan is not far from Merapi volcano. Okay. Can you see this one? Prambanan is not far from Merapi volcano. Is it true or false?
True.
True, okay. Because by the nearby Merapi volcano. Look at this one. This one is the answer. That's why it's true. Okay. Check your book if your answer is correct. Okay. Number 4. Let's proceed number 4. Where is Mamiao? Mamiao, are you there? Mamiao? Okay, good. Mamiao.
True.
Okay. Number 4. Let's proceed in number 4. It takes an hour to travel from Yogyakarta to Prambanan. Is it true or false? When you are going to Prambanan, it takes an hour to travel from Yogyakarta to Prambanan. Is it true or false? Read this one. You can see the answer is if it's true or false. True or false? Anna, what is the answer? What is the correct answer, number 4? It's, what is number 4? It's false. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. Number 4, it's false. It takes an hour to travel from Yogyakarta to Prambanan. So the answer is false. Okay, because the journey travel time is around is around what? Only 30? This one is the answer. 30 minutes. This one, the journey time is around 30 minutes when you are going to Prambanan from Yogyakarta. Do you understand? Okay, next one, number 5. Number 5, you can't buy coach ticket at the tourist office. Is it true or false? Okay, focus. Okay, focus. Are you there? Number 5, answer it. Answer this. You can't buy coach ticket at the tourist office. Is it true or false? What is the answer? Look at this one. You can or you can buy a ticket at the tourist office. Is it true or false? Okay, so the answer is false because you can buy, because tickets are available at the tourist office in Yogyakarta. Okay, so you can buy their ticket. Okay, next one. Let's proceed. Are you following? Are you following? Okay, next one. Understanding B.
Teacher J.
Yes.
In the answering, it is five is true or false.
Okay, number 1, we have the true. Number 1 answer is, okay, listen very carefully. Okay, so the answer number 1 is true. Number 2 is true. So check your book if you are correct. Write X if you are wrong. Okay, number 3, true. Number 4, false. Number 5, false. Okay, let's proceed in understanding B. Choose the best answer. Okay, so you need to choose the best answer. What is the correct sentence? Okay, number 1. Where is Nam?
What, teacher?
Okay, good, Nam. Okay, Nam. Okay, complete the sentence. I am going on a temple this weekend with my family. Or I am going on a trip this weekend with my family. What is the correct answer?
I'm going on a temple this weekend with my family.
Okay. How about Anna? What is your answer, Anna?
Temple.
Okay. I am going on a temple this weekend with my family.
I'm going on a temple this weekend with my family.
Are you sure?
Yes.
When you are going to the temple, I am going on a temple this weekend with my family, or I am going on a trip this weekend with my family. What is the best answer? Okay, so underline if your answer is correct, check it. Okay, I am going on a temple this weekend with my family. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Where is Mark's Mall?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Mark. Number 2. Many buildings were damaged in the fire, or many buildings were different in the fire. What
Damage.
is okay? So number 2, check your answer if it's correct. Many buildings were damaged in the fire. Okay, Mark, can you read number 2?
Many buildings were damaged in the fire.
Okay, now number 1, please read number 1.
Number one,
Yes.
I'm going on a temple this weekend with my family.
Okay, let's proceed to number 3. If there's an earthquake, you should sit under a table. Or if there's a volcano, you should sit under a table. What is the correct answer? Okay, please answer me. Where is view? Where is view?
Um,
Are you there?
volcano.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, view. Okay, what is the correct answer? If there's an blank, you should sit under a table.
Is there an earthquake? You should sit under a table.
Okay, very good. Okay, next, number 4, kid. Okay, number 4, kid. The train will
What?
blank before 10. What is the correct answer? The train will blank before 10. What is the correct answer?
Depart.
Okay, so please read.
Depart.
What? Please read. Number 4. The train.
The train will depart before 10
Okay, 10. Next, number 5.
a.m.
Where is... Okay, number 5. Where is Kaufang? Where is Kaufang? Are you there, Kaufang? Okay, let's answer number 5. Okay, Hannah, number 5, please. That novel is blank at the English bookshop. What is the correct answer? That novel is blank at the English bookshop. Anna, what is your answer? Number 5.
F A go. F
Okay.
A là bưu là bên.
Number 5. That novel is blank at the English bookshop. What is the correct answer?
Nè. Gì?
This one, number 5. What is your answer? That novel is blank at the English bookshop. What is the correct sentence? What is the correct answer? Where can you...
That novel is near it at the English bookshop.
That novel is nearby at the English bookshop? Hmm? Kit, what is your answer? Number 5.
Available.
Okay. So the novel is available at the English bookshop. Can you read, Kit?
Yes.
Okay, read.
Yes. There's no will is available at the English bookshop.
Okay, very good. Check your answer if you are correct. Write X if you are wrong. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Okay. So we have here, did you answer already your homework? Okay, before we proceed in your homework, okay. Okay, let's proceed here. Open your book in page 50 in reading book. Okay, let's start. Read about destinations in Indonesia and answer the questions. Okay, so we have the destination. So destination means, what is destination means? Nam, what is the destination means? Destination means it's a
This
destination means it's a country or a place. Am I right?
yes.
Yes, okay, that is the destination. In destination, we have the country or the place of Jakarta. What else? Jakarta, Yogyakarta, Bali, Bandung, Surabaya, and Makassar. So that is the name of the place. That is the destination. Okay, we have flight from Bangkok. We have here, we have flight from Bangkok, direct, change in Jakarta, direct, change in Singapore, direct, change in Jakarta or Singapore. Okay, so that is the flight from Bangkok. Next one, we have the journey time. Journey time means we have the 3 hours, 30 minutes, 7 hours, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 6 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and 55 minutes. Okay, what is journey time means, kid? What is a journey time means? Journey time means, kid?
Is Jakarta.
Journey time. What is the journey time means about the time? About the time. When you are traveling, for example, when you are traveling in Patani, how many hours is that? Okay, so that is your journey time. Do you get it? Do you understand? For example, kid, from Nakhon, you will go to Patani. What hours you can get there? How many hours can you get there? For example, right? We are going to the other place. That is the journey time means. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, we have the price. Okay, for example, when you are going to Patani from Nakhon, how much is that? How much will you pay? Okay, so we have the price. Okay, we have the price in Jakarta. Okay, when you are going to fly from Bangkok direct, so there they have in 3 hours and 30 minutes. So the price is 3,800 baht. Okay, in Yogyakarta, okay, they have a journey time 7 hours. So that will be cost 6,050 baht. In Bali, so they have a 4 hours and 15 minutes flight journey time, 7,200 baht. In Bandung, they have a journey time 6 hours and the price is 8,500 baht. In Surabaya, there are journey time 4 hours that will be cost of 4,500 baht. In Makassar, they have a journey time 5 hours and 55 minutes that will be cost 7,300 baht. Okay, so Anna, what do you think the price? What is the most expensive price? What is the destination? What is the place of the most expensive price?
Bandung.
What is the price of Bandung? Bandung. What is the price? It's
8,500.
baht. Okay, so that is the most expensive. What is the cheapest? Okay, where is Nam Ing? What is the cheapest price? Okay, what is the price of Jakarta? Ticket of when you're going Jakarta from Bangkok?
2,800.
Okay, so it will cost 3,800. Okay, in the journey time, what flight is a long flight in a journey time? Okay, where is
Yung
Jaukon?
yak
Okay, Jiao. In journey time, what is the longest journey time?
Yogyakarta.
Okay, how many hours?
7 hours.
Okay, how about is the, okay, when you are going in your destination in journey time, what is the hour that you can go there just only many hours? It's just a little hours. Okay, please answer me, Pan. Small hours when you are going a flight for your destination. What is the journey time? Small time. What destination? Pan. Jaukon said the long hours is 7 hours. What is the small hours?
Jakarta.
Okay, Pan. What is the small hours?
Jakarta.
Hmm? Okay, so Jakarta, 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, good. Okay, let's proceed here. Complete the sentences using words from the box. You can use them more than once. Okay, so complete the sentences using words from the box. You can use them more than once. Okay, so we have the shorter, we have the longer, we have the cheaper, and we have the more expensive. Okay, so we need to answer letter A. Okay, you can choose the answer in the 4 vocabulary. We have shorter, we have longer, we have cheaper, and more expensive. Okay, letter A. It takes blank to fly to Bandung than to Bali. What is the answer? Okay, answer me big.
What?
It takes blank to fly to Bandung than to Bali. What is the correct answer? It takes what?
It takes more expensive to fly
Look at this one.
to Bandung than to
It takes, look at this one. Balay in Bandung. How many hours? It takes, are you sure your answer? Look at the balay and the Bandung. What is the near? What is the nearest? Balay or Bandung from Bangkok?
Bali.
That is the nearest. Okay, so what is the longest?
The longest.
Okay, what is the longest? Balay or Bandung? What is the longest time when you are traveling? When
Anh
you,
Hiệp, Lào. Anh Hiệp, Lào.
huh? Okay, big. What is the longest? What is the longest? Balay or Bandung when you are, where you have a journey time?
Bandung is longest.
Okay, so the answer is letter A. In letter A, it takes longer to fly Bandung than to Balay. Okay, so what is the answer? Again, big. If you understand me, what is the answer?
It takes longer to fly to Bandung than Bali.
Okay, good. So it takes longer to fly to Bandung than to Bali. Okay, let's proceed. Letter B. Letter B. Where is Pasay? Are you there, Pasay? Are you there, Pasay? Okay. Where is Tengkwa? Jingjing?
Yeah.
Jingjing, are you there? Is
Yeah.
that you? Okay, good, Jingjing. Okay, so let's proceed in letter C. Jingjing, can you see this one, the picture?
Yeah.
Okay, in letter C, the journey to Bali is blank and blank. Then the journey to what? Makassar. Okay, what is the correct answer? Look at this one. You can choose the answer from here. Shorter, longer, cheaper, or more expensive. Okay, now letter C. What is your answer in letter C? What will be the answer?
Shorter and cheaper.
The journey to Bali is? What is the
Shorter and
journey?
more.
Letter C.
Oh.
The journey to Bali is?
Is longer and cheaper.
Okay. Who wants to answer? Are you sure about
Longer
that? The
and
journey
cheaper.
to Bali is cheaper. Cheaper.
And shorter.
Okay. Again, please read.
The journey to Bali is cheaper and shorter than
Then.
the journey to Makassar.
Okay. Makassar. Okay. The journey to Bali is cheaper and shorter than the journey to Makassar. Okay, good. Letter D. Take note of that. Write your answer. Okay. Letter D. Where is Where is, okay, let's back to, where is Tengwa? Tengwa? Okay, good. Tengwa, letter D. Flying to Yogyakarta is blank and blank than flying to Jakarta. Flying to Yogyakarta, look at your book. Look at this one about destination. Flying to Yogyakarta is blank and blank than flying to Jakarta. Yogyakarta, where is Yogyakarta? Oh, this one. We have the journey time. We have the price.
Shorter.
Shorter, flying to Yogyakarta is shorter. 7 hours shorter.
Longer.
Okay, longer and
Cheapy.
how much?
Cheaper.
Cheaper? Yogyakarta, are you sure cheaper? Flying to Yogyakarta is longer and blank than flying to Jakarta. Cheaper and okay, cheaper and more expensive than flying to Jakarta. Okay, do you understand? You can base the answer from here to here. Okay, flying to Yogyakarta is longer and more expensive than flying to Jakarta. Okay, write your answer. Okay, so letter A, we have the answer. It takes, listen very carefully. Letter A, it takes what? Longer to fly to Bandung than to Bali. Letter B, the flight time to Jakarta is shorter than the flight time to Surabaya. Okay, letter C. The journey to Bali is cheaper and shorter than the journey to Makassar. Letter D. Flying to Yogyakarta is longer and more expensive than flying to Jakarta. Okay, are you following? Are you following? Did you write your answer? Nam, did you write your answer, Big Kid?
Yes.
Okay, good. So, we have here, okay, which journey is, okay, which journey is? We have letter A, the shortest. What is the answer? What is the place? Letter B, the longest. Letter C, the cheapest. Right? The place. You can choose from here. This one, destination. What is the destination the shortest? What is the destination the longest? What is the destination the cheapest? And what is the destination the most expensive? Okay, so I want you to write your answer based on this destination. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so number 2. Okay, so we don't have time. That will be your homework. Okay?
Teacher time out.
Yes, yes. Okay, listen. This will be your homework. And also number 2. What's the best place to visit in Thailand? I want you to draw a picture. What is the best place? Do you think? What is the best place here in Thailand? I want you to draw a picture and write some information for a tourist. Like this. Do you understand? Okay? Okay, so okay, this is the end of our lesson for today. Okay, so students, I want you to answer this. I want you to answer the page 50. Do you understand? Big. Anna, I want you to answer. Okay. I want you to answer the which journey is the shortest, the longest, the cheapest, and the most expensive. I want you to write the place according to the destination and the journey time and the price. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and I want you number 2, what's the best place to visit in Thailand? I want you to draw and write information about a tourist. Okay, so students, this is the end of our lesson for today. Okay, so see you on see you on
Friday.
okay,
Oh,
Friday.
Bye.
Okay, so goodbye students.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay,
Goodbye,
okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I call back it back.